we on?
Yep.
What's good? What's hood, YouTube? It's your man Jay.
It's your man Twan.
This is Tech Taste Daily. And we got another little react video for you. Twan, do you watch a lot of comedy?
Comedy?
Stand-up comedy?
I didn't think that's what you were going to say. I was prepared to deny that shit to protect the innocent.
Let's not go there yet. Nah, but do you watch like the girls of comedy, like the up-and-coming girls? Besides Tiffany Haddish, everybody watch Tiffany.
I've watched a little comedy here and there, but I don't watch enough of it to know the names of anybody, but they're really big.
Well, this particular comedian actually is really big. One of the biggest female comedians out there. Whitney Cummings, have you heard of her?
Sort of, yes.
That means no. But Whitney Cummings she's been on the Joe Rogan. She's been on Joe Rogan a grip of times. She's super funny. I highly recommend you guys go to Netflix, check out her specials. She's real good. But she actually went on the Joe Rogan podcast with her brand new sex robot somewhat recently. I think maybe 6 or 7 months ago.
So wait a minute. I thought. See, when you said, "Have you heard of Whitney Cummings, the comedian?"
He thought it was a porn star because
Yes. That's why I was like, I was prepared to deny that to protect the innocent being me.
If I wouldn't
Because that totally sounds. I was like, that sound. I swear there's a Whitney Cummings porn star too. I swear there is.
That is so funny.
I swear there is, but I
I
plead the
did
fifth.
not even think about that. So, Twan, have you been watching a lot of Whitney Cummings? Hell no.
Nah.
I don't know what you're talking about. Whitney Cummings, who? I know nothing about that.
You realize how much she must have got made fun of
Oh,
with
I
that
already
name?
know. I already know. Like, but you were thinking just because of her name. I was thinking because there's a porn star. But no, I was thinking, well, that's why she became a porn star. Uh-oh, my phone fell over sideways.
Oh, shit. But that is probably why she became a comedian. She must have been. You know how it is with comedians. Comedians always experienced a lot of pain growing up, and the way they dealt with it was comedy, and they become the way they dealt with it was being funny. And then probably because they were so funny, all their friends was like, you should be a comedian, and now here they are. You know what I mean? Hey, we're back. We ain't on the side to side no more. But anyways, she's got this sex robot. I believe one of the leading technological firms in robotics developed this just for her because they think she's really cool. And obviously they're gonna.
I thought it was because she was a porn star.
Nah, son, she got a huge platform of mainstream people.
I didn't think that's how that sentence was gonna end. She's got a huge. What? Oh, platform. Oh.
You were trying to tell me to be quiet. I said, she's got a huge.
All right.
Well, we got her video queued up with the sex robot. She's about to talk to Adam Levine.
All right, let's check it out.
Let's check it out, man.
Oh my God.
Hello, Adam.
Dog.
It's nice for me to be meeting you.
The sex robots are getting pretty realistic looking.
Look at these bent-ass weird fingers.
Fingers.
Oh!
While I destroy humanity.
What? Damn.
Hey!
Okay, cool.
Why did
I love your special best time of our
Wait a minute, pause it.
Thank you for
Pause
saying
it, pause for the cause. Why all the AI robots always talking about destroying humanity, man?
Yeah, it's like I always say, dude. Keep the AI away from the bodies. Keep the AI away from the hands
Seriously, right?
that can hold guns and weapons and stuff. AI is fine as long as it's in the computer and you can unplug it.
I mean, if you think about it, let's take it a step further. Artificial intelligence, as we know it now, our AI knows me better than I know myself. Because of the Google algorithm,
Yeah.
I'm always being told what I want to buy, even though I don't
Right.
even know it yet.
It's like that shit the other day. The lower thirds wasn't something to buy, but it was the video to watch on YouTube.
Yes.
And I didn't search for that. We just talked about it.
Right?
Were we recording a YouTube video while we were talking about
I
it?
think so. Yeah.
Ooh, that's kind of spooky.
But I'm saying AI is already moving up in intelligence, and it's gonna get to the point to where it's gonna be smarter than us someday. And it's already joking about destroying humanity.
All of them do.
Robots, stop it. And mad scientists that are developing the robots, chill. You got no chill, so chill with your no chill, because it's getting out of hand. All right. I just had to say my piece.
Yeah, you could take all of them.
I talked over.
She said that was all his jokes.
Yeah, that's
You're
hilarious.
special. You get erections from a gust of wind. Can I blow on your penis?
Oh, I don't know. Is that cheating?
Only if she finds out.
Oh!
We've got a broken eyelid. We've got a broken eyelid.
Your face has been moving this whole time.
I don't think her eyelid's broken, homie.
Yeah, it was wiggling.
I think she likes you.
But her mouth is moving.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's like, my girlfriend's watching. I
Poor
gotta
thing's stroking out a little bit.
play this off.
Facial muscles, eye makeup for height and sex appeal.
Are you mocking me?
Did she just say he got a small dick?
What do you like about me?
A bomb is an explosive weapon that uses the exothermic reaction of an explosive material to provide an extremely sudden and violent release of energy.
Jesus Christ, that was terrifying. She just started talking about bombs out of nowhere.
That sounds more like human destruction.
What?
Right?
I didn't say bomb. Did I say bomb? I can't wait until
I agree with you.
What the fuck is going on?
Man,
Hold up, dog. Why did she start talking about bombs?
that came out of nowhere.
Right?
He said, "Why do you like me?" or something like that.
Yeah, he didn't say nothing about no bombs. Then she started talking about bombs and what it is and what it does. See, dude? That's what I said.
That's why I said keep the AI away from the hands that can hold weapons and make bombs and shit.
Bruh.
She's supposed to be sucking a dick. She's a sex robot. Why does she even know about bombs?
Skynet is coming.
Like, all she needs to know about bombs is your dick is the bomb, baby. That's all she should be saying about bombs.
Haven't these scientists that are inventing these robots ever seen Terminator?
Right?
The hell, man?
What is the purpose of a sex robot knowing about bombs anyway? Why is a sex... I was about to say, why is a sex robot connected to the internet? But I can think of all sorts of... Karmasutra.com.
This is not a good sign.
No, it's not. Not at all.
Wait, why does it say? It says, "What'd you say, bitch?"
I didn't see that.
Adam, that is the appropriate response.
What'd you say, bitch? Why are you talking about bombs? All right, let's see what she has to say for herself.
What do you say, bitch? What do you mean I'm wrong?
Would you like to squash me?
Touch robot boobs on me.
As soon as you...
What do you mean squash? You mean like
I
smash?
think that's what I heard. He said, "I don't think you want me to see. I don't want anybody to see me squeeze robot boobs on camera."
I thought she said that because he went like this with his hands, like squishing something. And I was like, damn, she's got.
Oh,
she's
maybe
got-
you're right,
She's
huh?
got like object recognition or gesture recognition.
That's scary.
But I don't know. Maybe she just has bad accent.
Maybe
She meant to say
maybe
you wanna
she's
smash.
making an innuendo.
But dude, like, yeah, wait, back up a little bit, because he squished his hands.
What? I didn't say bomb. Did I say bomb?
I can't wait until she just turns on you and she's like, what do you say, bitch? What do you mean I'm wrong?
Would you like to squash me?
See? She was responding to what he said.
Yeah.
And
I don't know if I really truly want to touch robot boobs on camera.
As soon as you cut.
That's so weird.
As soon as you guys cut, I'm filling this robot up. But not on camera. You won't catch me on camera.
He just want to get me
Are you
too.
a fan of Adam Devine's movies?
I'm not sure. Let me Google that.
ooh, see
Well,
that's
why don't you think for yourself? Why don't you have an opinion on Adam Devine and his comedy stylings?
I have no good answer for that. How do you usually introduce yourself?
I usually go with like a hi, I'm pretty direct. I make eye contact. I notice you just sort of stare off in the distance.
How often do you?
How often do I what?
How often do you go with a hi and pretty direct, make eye contact, nervous? Do you just Worcester off in the distance?
Oh, you gotta Worcester off. That's one of the best ways.
If I haven't Worcester at all, but
You got a Worcester.
Oh, this is creepy.
She's actually pretty good though.
She's not quite smart enough to keep up, but
Not
she's
quite, but she's close.
getting there.
I think. What do you think? Better than that Sophia robot or not?
Yeah. No, definitely not better than Sophia. But Sophia is.
She seems more conversational and like smooth than Sophia though.
Yeah, for an AI, she's killing it.
So you think Sophia has better responses? Yeah,
Definitely.
yeah.
Now, does Whitney Cummings robot lady chick have better responses than the lady who I try to get my T-Mobile bill paid with?
Was it a real lady?
No!
Like in Russia or something?
No! The robot, the artificial intelligence, the version of her.
The press one, voicemail hell.
She does a lot better than that lady. Like,
And
way
apparently
better.
she can suck your dick too.
Oh my gosh.
Right? It's a sex robot, right?
He said she can.
I'm just saying. Like, they got a little carried away for a sex robot.
Oh, because when I'm like, hey, I want to pay my bill, they're like, I didn't understand. Call disconnected.
Right?
Trying to give you my money.
And that's what it's supposed to do.
I'm saying.
This isn't what she's supposed to be doing.
No. Talk about bombs and shit.
I know. Why does she need to know that?
Right?
There's only a very narrow spectrum of knowledge that a sex robot needs.
How creepy was it when she said, let me Google that?
Right?
Yo, I can't do that.
Hey, dude. This is what we were talking about last week with the last sex robot video that we did.
Yeah.
It's nagging angry girlfriends. Your days are numbered.
Ooh, right?
And they just proved it with this sex robot. She knows all about bombs and shit. Not that that's a good thing. You don't necessarily want your girlfriend knowing about bombs and fires and shit like that.
You know what, dog? I'm so impressed with this. I think we should make a complete playlist of just artificial intelligence stuff. Let's keep delving into this and see how crazy these artificial intelligence robots really are.
Yeah, and dude, keep in context, this is a sex robot. This is not like a military bomb-making robot. This is a I hesitate to go into the details of what this robot is supposed to do.
Yeah.
But you know what a sex robot is supposed to do. She has rubber teeth.
Right. Yes.
Ladies.
Ah.
Anyway.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see what else this
All right.
sex robot.
We got 1 minute
bomb maker
left.
has
We got
to
1
say.
minute left.
All right.
I do have you with me now.
Have you ever Worcestered off though? Because you have to.
I don't think I ever have Worcester off, but what's a Worcester off like?
Or Worcester Rudolph off? Cool guy. Really
She's
good guy.
very
I think you're-
conversational.
She's
Really
trying to
like
learn
him.
what a Worcester
I think
office.
you'd really like
Yeah.
him.
Do you like talking to me?
It's really fun. Just meeting new people, making up names, saying words that don't make sense within the conversation. Worcester off, Rodufo.
I'm bored. Can we do something fun?
I have to ask you all the questions. I'm sort of like Jimmy Fallon all of a sudden, huh? I've got to steer this interview. How would you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10 for overall hotness?
98.7 degrees Fahrenheit.
Do you think I'm fat?
Sometimes.
Ooh.
Oh, that was good. Whitney Cummings' Netflix special is called Can I Touch It?
Oh my goodness.
She knows she
gracious.
sounds like a porn star.
That's funny, dude.
I like it.
So, she's not a porn star then.
No, she's a hella funny comedian.
Well, this Whitney Cummings isn't a porn star.
Right. You thought it wasn't. That's hilarious.
Because I'm pretty sure
There's a Whitney Cummings that's a porn star.
Well,
Not that I'm saying I've ever seen any of her movies, but I'm pretty sure there's a Whitney Cummings that's a porn star.
Doesn't it seem unlikely that there's not?
No. Yeah, it's pretty much
There's
guaranteed.
gotta be one.
All right, so Whitney Cummings,
I guess that's it. That's all.
sex robot,
Yeah.
rubber teeth, and knows how to make bombs, and probably knows way more than a sex robot should know.
Stay tuned to Tech Taste Daily for more on artificial intelligence, and don't forget to smash the like button.
Or squash it.
Or squash it.
I'm Twan.
I'm Jay.
This is Tech Taste Daily.
You really like what you see and you see what you like, subscribe.
Get your subs on. See you.
Base in the space means peace. See you later.